Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Warning. Join us by subscribing and make sure to hit the bell icon for more tech related videos and tutorials. Now let's start the video. Hello guys, welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial we will integrate Google My Business with ChatGPT through Zapier. So first of all go to zapier.com and click on the Zap. Yes, here is my Zap GMB automation for post. GMB means full form is Google My Business. Click on this Zap. It's loading. Yeah. Now, basically, one, three, four, five tasks are implemented for post for automated post in Google My Business. So click on the Edit Zap. Yeah, edit existing draft. Now, the first task is which should be trigger, and the trigger will work when Google My Sheet auto updated. So go to Google Drive. Yes, go to Drive button. This is the sheet. Yeah. The latest article title is the latest article title is Riding the Digital Wave Transformative Marketing Strategies for Your Business. So select that event, which should be New Spreadsheet Pro. Click the Continue button, and then this is the section where we will integrate Google My Sheet, Google Sheet with Zapier. So click on the Continue button. Yeah. Here is the spreadsheet name, Video Factory blog, and here is the worksheet name, Sheet 1. Click on the Continue button. Yeah, this is the most latest report riding the digital wave. Yeah, this is the number 35, 36, sorry, riding the digital wave. Click on the Continue with selected record. The next task should be ChatGPT, where we will refresh the title. So select the event conversation and click on the continue button. Then click on the account button and connect your ChatGPT account with Zapier. Now click on the continue button. This is the action part where we will change or rephrase the blog title. Yeah, this is the title which we will fetch from Google Sheet, ChatGPT model, ChatGPT 3.5. Now here is the assist instructions. Please rewrite the title, and title should be SEO optimized. You can write any, anything that you want. Now click on the continue button. Here is the data and here's the result. This is the result in the digital. Yeah, unleashing the power of digital transformative. Yeah, this is the latest title. Click on the continue button. Next part should be ChatGPT again because we will generate uh, content from the title. Now select the event conversation, click on the continue button again, and this is the account part where we will integrate our account. Click on the continue button again. Yeah, this is the user message. User message should be the most latest uh, title, most recent title. The title is unleashing the ATC. Now model, select the model I'm using ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. Now this is the sections part. So basically this is the prompt part. Now click on the now write article for Google My Business Post. Please write article less than 1400 characters because Google My Business Post allow less than 1500 characters. This is the reason for using 1400 character. Click on the continue button again. Here is the result. Again, click on the continue. Now, task is of for featured image. We will generate featured image from AI using our title. Now, click on the event. I'm using event generate image. Click on the continue button. Again, select your account. Click on the continue button. Now here is the prompt part. Your digital marketing expert will design image for this post. Image should be very realistic. Not don't look like AI image. In image, please use these factors on these elements. Quality should be standard. Size. The three options I am using 1792 by 1024 in pixels. Style measure. Click on the continue button. Here is the result. Here is the website. Here is the image link. Click on the continue button again. Now this is the last part for automated post in Google My Business. Select Google My Business task. Select even create post. Click on the continue again. And now this is the Google My Business connection. Click on continue button. Is yeah, this is the location, Google My Business property name, here's the summary. Here is summary the most latest conversation. Click on the topic type, standard, action button type, learn more, and now action button URL, media factory on this, and this is the feature image URL already generated from the part 2. Sorry, part 4. Now click on the continue button, and the last part is click on the publish button. So after these tasks, you can see your latest post in Google My Business. So open Google My Business. You will click on the view file and in scroll down on the right side, we can check the most latest post that will be generated from uh, the Zapier. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial. Please connect with us for more tech related videos or more AI automation related videos.